This video is going to highlight the differences between body-identical hormones and bioidentical hormones. So just to simplify, body-identical hormones are, as the name would suggest, more or less identical to our own hormones. So it's got a similar molecular structure as the estrogen inside our bodies, and it's made from yams as well. So it's made from vegetables, and it's sourced and processed in a lab and created. So it's safe and it's tested and deemed safe to use and regulated as well. This is an important thing to say. So that's the estrogen form. And they can be prescribed on the NHS in a gel patch or spray. You can also get progesterone, which is micronized. This is typically less side effects from the old forms of progesterone, which used to be made from mare's urine, pregnant mare's urine. That doesn't happen now, and there's a lot less risk from this type of HRT. So it's micronized progesterone, and it's the important thing to remember is that these hormones have been created in a lab, they've been tested, they are regulated, and they are deemed safe to use by the UK Medical Council, and the NHS obviously provide them through prescription only. You can't just buy them over the counter. So that is body-identical hormones. So the next one is bioidentical hormones. This is made from plants. They are available in some beauty salons, in private healthcare clinics and herbalists. If people want to go down this route, that's absolutely fine, but just some things to consider. If it's not a proper registered person who's prescribing these things to you or advising you, I would be wary and make sure you get a second opinion and make sure you do your research. The quality and effectiveness greatly differs, and there's little evidence to suggest that they have fewer side effects than the bioidentical and body-identical. And they can be expensive as well. It depends where you get them from and which ones you're using. Also, they don't have the safety and the dosing and the tests that the NHS versions have. So it's not the same effectiveness necessarily. Some people find that they do help them, and that's fine. You can trial and error it and see which works for you. I know we've got a couple of herbalists that we do recommend, and they do tinctures and they do tablets and all sorts of things that are similar to HRT if you didn't want to actually take HRT. So these are things to consider. We're all about just arming you with all the information so you can make the decision for yourself. So that's the difference basically. Hope this has been informative.